n terms in an AP. More questions we can do here. So let us start with that one. The next question is here. How many terms of the AP? Yeah, 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give a sum 636. So what are given here? What are given? What are given in this question? We can find out from this question D. We can calculate, right? And A is given here. A is given here 9. D it is D. 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9, it's 8 here, right? And also given 636, what's that? That's given sum. Sn it is given, correct? Sn it is given here 636. N it's not given, N we need to calculate. So N it's what? That's the question. So how to do this one? Simply substitute the values. Is it Sn formula? Write the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Correct? And then substituting the values, 636 is equal to n by 2 into 2 into 9 plus n minus 1 into d is again 8. So simply open the bracket first in the inside one. So we will get n by 2. We can take it to the other side, right? 2 is equal to 2 into 9. It's 18. And opening this bracket you will get 8n minus 8. Is it? So 2, this is common multiple. So this 2 we can take into the other side. So I'm writing in the next side. It is n into 18 minus 8 become 10 plus 8n is equal to 636 already there. N by 2, this 2 we taken to the other side, that will also goes to the numerator. Correct? Yes. Now opening this bracket, what we will get? 10n plus 8n square is equal to 636 into 2. Yeah, product. Multiply it and then say 636 into 2. Double of that one. Double of 600 it is 1200. So double of 36 it is 72. Is it? So taking all the terms collecting all the terms one side, you will get 8n square plus 10n minus 112 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation, is it? So I think it's divisible and it is also there. If it is divisible by, all these divisible by 2, so we can divide throughout by 2. You will get 4n square plus 5n, and if we divide this by 2, you will get 636 equal to 0. Now either one of the method we can use to find out n value, quadratic formula or splitting the middle term factorization method. Which one you prefer? We can use yeah, we can use splitting the middle terms of product of 4 and 336. Yeah, and their factors. Is it? Their factors also coming? So how to do that one? Hmm. 4 into 636. How much it is? The product you are getting a big number, right? So instead of multiplying that one, we can take the factors of that one, right? So 636 is there and into 4 is there. So yeah, if we split the middle term, you will get plus 53. 53 into 53. This is negative, isn't it? So you will get the product, it is negative. So second one should be negative, that is minus 48. So if you multiply both of these, you will get, yeah, product of negative 2000 something. You said already, right? So here we can write this one as 4n square plus 53n minus 48n minus 636 equal to 0. So from first two equation we can take n as common factor, taking n out, 4n plus 53, and in the next one both these we are getting 12 is a common factor, taking out 4n plus 53 will come out, right? So equal to, we can see here, is 0. So we are getting two factors, 4n plus 53 and n minus 12. See, so we can write here n minus 12 equal to 0, which implies n is equal to 12. So what we can say here, n is equal to 12. The next one you can see become a fraction along with a negative number, isn't it? So it is a negative rational number. So we don't want to consider this factor, because n value, n is the number of terms, cannot be negative. So n it is 12. So what we can say, 12 terms sum of this AP is 636. Yeah, completed.